Oh man, you see that? They got 2 carts out already. One with a bunch of Remington and other things. I'm gonna have to get another video of that when I get over there. But I'm gonna take a little walk over to the side over here, because as you guys can probably see,
They raised the limits because I see everybody grabbing 2 boxes.
well, we'll find out.
Well, that's $27.99. $26.99 we're only $300, right?
Yeah.
I didn't see you doing that. I just see standard velocity.
Let's see. Swamp ass. AR tactical. Man, so much. Oh yeah, that's nice. 1200, huh? What's up, fellas? AZ Sandman here, and you know what this is. Well, a couple of days ago, I went to Cabelas and it was stocked. Not like it was today that you saw in that previous clip. And on that day, I went ahead and I scored me 5 boxes, or 5 jewel cases of the PowerPoints. I wasn't going to do a video of these because I actually lost the receipt. Well, today, because of the holy stash they had, the unholy stash, and the fact that they've raised their limits again to 1,200 rounds, I decided to go ahead and get me some more of the Red Rattlers. But these ones are the super speed. And yes, the Brick Blazer to finish out my 1,200 rounds for the day. And here is the receipt for today's score. Let's see. 717. Okay, you see the 40 grain round nose, 100 rounds, original price $8.49. Price over there $7.21. You know, you guys know how that works. Oh yeah. And then let's see. But unfortunately, oh wait, I did get a PowerPoint for $8.49. So, well, I guess I managed to sneak one of those in there. And let's see. And there's the Blazers. Let's see. Original price $27.99. $23.79. Then there's all the other particulars. None of that's important. All right. So there you have it. So here I am at the house, and the UPS man stops by. Yeah, it's the UPS man. And the box is kind of beat up. Let's see what we have in here. Well, I already know what we have in here. Let me sit this down for a second. Or maybe not. Come on, Tadashi. Ammo Dog's giving me a hand over here. Let's see. Some more of those tipped varmint that I love so much. Oh yeah, I love how they have this wrapped up. It's going to make storing it so much easier. I think there's about 260 rounds here. So fellas, that's my score. Take it easy. Stay thirsty, my friends.